Hello Monster Jam fans, and welcome back to another Monster Jam OCD video. Today, we're going to take a look at the brand new Zombie Madness playset by Spin Master. Well, welcome back everyone. Today we're going to look at a brand new playset by Spin Master, which is of course the Zombie Madness playset, a highly requested video because of the fact that everyone knows Zombie by Spin Master includes the brand new molding with the arms and of course an exclusive look for this playset. So this playset includes a couple ramps and of course a zombie truck and this big face that you hit the nose with. You hit the truck onto the nose and the brain actually pops out, and then you can see it of course includes like a little gate that you can exit through if you go through the mouth and you exit through the back. And then you can see it says all new for 2019, True Metal, Monster Jam Authentic, and it is one set inside of here. And of course it includes an exclusive zombie diecast with blue rims and a gray base. You will not be able to find this version of zombie with blue rims and gray base outside of this pack, but you can see there it is inside there with the brand new molding. And you can see there's the other set, so it's the Champ Ramp Freestyle, which I do have for review later on. And here is the actual set itself outside of the box. You can see it's got the little launcher, you got the ramp and the zombie head, and of course the brain pops off, or the skull pops off, and then it reveals the brain. This was the prototype zombie. This is not the one you'll receive in the box because of course they changed a few things on it. So this one is the older one, but you can see it there. And it says slam, launch, brain splat, then do it again. And you can see it says slam down to launch, and then it jumps into the zombie head. So I'm going to get this out, I'm going to build it, I'm going to put it onto my floor because I can't fit into my studio. But first we're going to take a look at the brand new zombie inside of it, and then we'll go down and see the playset. Here it is, the Undead Beast, the zombie. So this is the brand new casting by Spin Master. This is the first time we'll ever see zombie in a diecast form with arms. Previously Mattel's version, which I have right here, and I'll compare it to this version here today, had no arms, and it also, in the 1/43rd scale for Hot Wheels, actually had arms, but they never did it for the diecast edition. So you can see here, this is the Hot Wheels Monster Jam one from 2018, late 2018, and it never had arms. So this is this company's version, and this is the Spin Master one. And I gotta say, it's such a refreshing thing to see the arms. I'm so happy they finally put them on. This is definitely something they had to do. If they ever wanted to make a statement with this truck, it definitely would start with putting the arms, and of course they did that. Also, the mouth is much more proportioned to the real truck. This one's kind of a, you can see it doesn't really have a real structure. It just has like a couple front teeth here, a tongue, and a couple bottom teeth. This one has the full shaped mouth. Of course, the jaw does hang down like the real truck. It almost looks like a separate part of the hood, but it is just molded on that way to have that appearance. And you can see it does have the blood on the chin. And this face here, very cool. Mine does have a small tampo slide, so you can see the eye is off the actual molding. That's not on all the versions. Mine just happen to have it like that. Hopefully the one I get in the singles later this year in the Fire and Ice edition does not have that tampo slide where the eye is kind of shifted off place, and same with the nose. But generally this entire face, and I'll put one on screen by Mike Bev, looks like this. So it's not going to be like mine with this tampo slide. Maybe I could use the problems questions card to get a new one, but I'm not gonna. It's not that big of a deal to me. And you can see, yes, the arms do move up and down. They are movable. They are a rubbery substance, so you can kind of bend them, but I wouldn't recommend it. And you can also see there is an ear there on the side, so you can see it has an ear on both sides. And here's the diecast molding. You can see the actual shirt here is 3D. It's actually a raised piece of diecast, and you can kind of see the bars on the side where the shirts are raised up here. So you can see, like the real truck, they do put the shirt above the actual, they bolt it on the top, and then it hangs over. So they're doing that same exact style. They actually casted that on, which is a brilliant micro detail that they paid attention to on the real truck. And same with the back here, you can feel the tailgate is, or you can see the tailgate is 3D shirts. And it does say monsterjam.com, which was taken off the Mattel edition. So there it is, the zombie. We're going to take a look at the playset now with this zombie truck and see how it handles and what it does and all the features. So here it is, the Zombie Madness playset. You can see it includes the launcher. We have the stickers that go on the side that make it look like it's slime. And you have the actual track piece. Of course, the gooey looking slime ramp with the green neon color. And here's our zombie. You can see it's got the crazy looking eyes. The nose, which is actually a button to pop off the skull cap. So you can see it pops right off there. That's what the truck is supposed to hit, so we'll demonstrate that in just a second. Let me pop this back on real quick. I'm trying to do it with one hand. There we go. And you can see the mouth, and then of course the little exit ramp. So if you guys do it at low power like this, so I'm gonna demonstrate this real quick, it will exit through the doors. So that's a pretty cool little feature. So we want to hit the zombie's nose so that it pops off the skull cap. So I'm going to adjust my ramp here. I'm going to try to make it as quick as possible, but I want to see if this length is good enough to actually make this zombie head pop off. So let's see how this does at this distance. That was not close enough, so we're going to have to do it again. Let me reset the arms here. So here we go. We're going to do a little farther. Okay, that's way too far. So let me go closer with it. Let's go about there. Let's see. There we go. Okay, so that's exactly how it's supposed to work. You hit it against there, and it pops off. This is a cool little mascot playset. I will be reviewing the brand new Son of Digger Champ Ramp Freestyle set next. So it's a very good truck, very high quality set, and I'm very happy that they included several different mechanics instead of just one in this playset. So thank you, Spin Master. This is an awesome set. I love the zombie. It's really cool. Hopefully I'll find one without a temple slide in the future, but other than that, a great set. Nothing to complain about. 10 out of 10. I'm sure the younger crowd will definitely love this one. So again, you can jump into the nose, you can exit through the back ramp, and also you guys get a brand new diecast zombie truck. So that was the Zombie Madness playset by Spin Master. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time. This is Ryan Monster Jam OCD signing out.